So much delicious food you must try if you visit China Airlines Business Class Lounge. Unbox China Airlines Business Class Lounge near Gate D4 in Taipei Airport T2. Recommended Taiwanese beef noodle soup. What else shouldn't you miss?
Hi, I'm TriPapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to TriPapa's channel. Today I'm heading to Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport, and I will fly to Bangkok with China Airlines and unboxing their business class lounge near Gate D4. Before I dive into all the details, as always, I'll let you know how I got back to Taiwan. Previously, Trimama and I flew back to Taiwan from Tokyo Narita Airport. We visited the China Airlines operated lounge with great food offerings. On board their flagship aircraft A350-900. We were alone with no other business class passengers. For the full flight report, check the link below. Here we are, Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport. Let's head to the lounge. Alright, right now I'm arrived the China Airline Lounge. There are 4 lounges in Taipei International Airport. In Terminal 2 they got 2. And this one is the best one, the Flagship lounge. Let's go! The first challenge, which many people complain about, is that you need to walk stairs since there's no elevator access in the lounge. So let's go. The interior of this lounge is quite nice, featuring classic Chinese calligraphy. However, it can be pretty crowded at night since most US and Europe routes depart around midnight. Let's take a look at the buffet. The signature sweet potato is a good choice. There are 2 types of soups: fruits, cold plates, and hot dishes. The selection isn't huge, but the quality is good. They also have cold salads and some steamed options. Another highlight is the beverage bar, where you can try 58-degree Gao Liang Chu for a traditional drink experience. There are also light bites, including tasty popcorn, which is quite good. If you're a fan of peanuts, I highly recommended this ice cream to you. Last one, I will take this. The mango flavor. Finally, don't miss the signature Taiwanese beef noodle soup. I prefer it without noodles. The soup is amazing with many pieces of sliced beef. I also had ice cream and a tea-flavored boiled egg. Bon appetit! This lounge also has shower rooms, but they were fully booked. Upstairs, there's a VVIP room for China Airlines elite members only, with table service. I hope one day I can visit and unbox it for you. Alright, no doubt this is a very good lounge, but it's super crowded. It's also very difficult to find a seat, so I can only sit next to the kitchen. However, the food, especially the beef soup noodle, is perfect, fantastic. Also their ice, and also got a special Taiwanese liquor, Gao Liang. So worth to visit. And right now, let's get on board. In my next video, I will be on board China Airlines A321 Neo Business Class cabin. Enjoy the lie-flat seating on a narrow-body aircraft and taste great Taiwanese traditional soup noodles in the air.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.